Welcome to Room 4. This room will lead by me, myself, Logojoti Navalingam, and my partner, Kabilasha Shanmugavelu. This room is all about algae in pharmaceuticals. Next, we move on to the introduction part. Algae is a simple chlorophyll content organism. Natural products from algae widely used in many sectors. One of it is the sector of medicine and pharmaceutical. The fatty acid content in algae makes it a well-known bioactive compound. Large range of products are being derived from algae because it acts as a source of vitamin, anti-cancer and also antimicrobial agent.
Okay, next we are going to introduce another group of algae which is cyanobacteria. It is the most ancient algae. Stromatolites is the 3.5 billion year old layered carbonates. Cyanobacteria contains chlorophyll A and it can produce oxygen. It can also fix nitrogen and cyanobacteria can also cause algal bloom sometimes. Spirulina is one of the group of cyanobacteria. It is widely used in pharmaceutical as it is rich in a range of vitamins and minerals that can maintain a healthy immune system. There are various uses of algae in pharmaceuticals such as algal cellulose, facial mask, anti-cancer and nutritional supplement. But today we are going to focus on facial mask and nutritional supplement.
Next that I would like to explain about is facial mask, which is very widely used by all of the people around. And facial mask is produced by red, green, blue, and brown algae. The specific species that used for facial mask are Chlorella vulgaris, Laminaria dictata, and Fucus species. Next is the process of algal facial mask. The best method to produce this is the cultivation chamber method, which is in a cylindrical dish places into an aquarium with the fluorescent lamps on top of it as a light source. The first is the carbon dioxide aerator will be used as the carbon source and the concentration will be changed for each harvest. Light intensity will be adjusted by controlling the number of lamps in the chamber. And and then the agar powder dissolved in a medium and heated to 121 degrees Celsius. Then it will pour into a cylindrical dish at a room temperature until solidification. Filtration member will attach onto the surface of solidified membrane and the prepared microalgae suspension will be concentrated in by centrifuging. Subsequently, the concentrated microalgae pellets will be scraped, washed and distilled water and poured into a transparent cylindrical dish. After 7 days, the algae biofilm washed down and centrifuged. Following from that method, it is grinded, formulated, and will be packaged for selling. There are many benefits that we can gain from the application of facial mask. One of that is algae has demonstrated anti-aging properties by inhibiting enzymes that break down collagen in the skin. Other than that, some algae also can nourish the skin with vitamins, proteins, and minerals, which can improve metabolism. And the algae facial mask also can remove puffiness, wrinkles, and reduce tightened and enlarged pores. And the skin can be oxygenated after the usage of facial mask. And the drawbacks of the facial mask is algae are uh, algae also high in iodides, which can irritate the pore and can triggering the inflammation and the formation of pustule. All types of algae can be incredibly triggering for breakouts because they contain high level of iodine. Iodine is an essential mineral that we all need, but some amount of in our bodies in excess it get extracted through our follicles where can acne takes place and can be highly irritating for our pores.
Okay, next I am going to explain about nutritional supplement from algae. Green, blue-green algae are used, and the example of species are Arthrospira pratensis, Aphanizemenon species, Haematococcus species. So, what is the process involved here? Let us look at the figure. Mainly, it involves four basic steps, which is selecting the spirulina strain, cultivation, harvesting, and lastly, the product. So, the selected strain of spirulina, will be grown on culture media with desired nutrients, agitation, and luminosity under the laboratory cultivation. Next, it will be transferred and propagated in small ditches under small-scale production. And then it will be cultivated for commercials in runway ponds with agitators. It will be collected, washed, and dried. And once the quality inspection is done, and the product will be ready. So this is one of the example of how spirulina nutritional supplement is produced. Okay. Now let's look at the benefits of the nutritional supplement from algae. It regulates blood sugar levels, support the body's defenses, maintain healthy gut function, lowers cholesterol and prevent heart disease, and it also promotes mental health. There are also some drawbacks on the products containing blue-green algae, which have raised serious concerns. And there is a report that the consumers have repeatedly complained about pain and discomfort after the consumption of those supplements. It is also reported that certain types of cyanobacteria produce toxins, which is the microcystin that causes the liver damage. So the nutrition supplement has to undergo a thorough testing before it is sold to the consumers. So that is all from us. Thank you so much for listening.
Next, let's watch our model product advertisement. Let's watch face mask tutorial.